The VEVOR Camping Wood Stove offers an impressive firebox capacity of 1,400 cubic inches, allowing for extended heating without the constant need to add firewood. With efficient secondary combustion, this stove ensures higher wood combustion rates, reducing ash production and providing quick and effective heat. Portability is a standout feature, as the entire unit, including 9 accessories such as a rain cap and chimney pipe, weighs only 26.7 pounds. Constructed with 3 mm thick reinforced stainless steel panels, this stove is designed to withstand high temperatures and challenging outdoor conditions. The stove is equipped with 3 security features, including a U.S. forest paint coating for odorless heating and a Japanese NEG fireplace glass for clear fire visibility. Durability is assured with the use of rust-resistant alloy steel, making this stove a reliable choice for outdoor cooking and heating.